Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to get AI mermaid filter on TikTok or how you can join the mermaid AI trend. So you might have seen a lot of videos on this mermaid trend or a mermaid or a people have been made mermaids. So to make that, we have to head over to a TikTok application. So once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just head over to the plus icon as we always do to make a new video on TikTok. So once you are there, just head over to effects section. Now go to view all effects. Now you can find the AI mermaid effect in this trending section because it is very trending recently on various social media platforms. But if you can't find that, just head over to the search icon and here tap on the search bar and here search for AI mermaid. So as you can see, this is the first one. People have made a lot of video with this AI filter, mermaid filter. So don't get confused with the second one, the little mermaid #1. That's not the one. The first one it is. So just tap on AI mermaid. And here, as you can see, it is selected. Now what you need to do, if we just select it again, you will get a preview of how it will look. So now we just need to select a picture from our gallery and then the process will be started. So yeah, this is how easily you can get AI mermaid filter on your TikTok. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.